to actually do it. As far as your concatenate value, forget the exact location. I want to say maybe it's just a logic. Yeah, concatenate. Okay, so it's really just a string or a logic. But again, our first lesson, essentially, we were able to go through and get that created. What you can do, right? Instead of having to figure out the exact block or where it's located with our logical information, is you can actually just ask, right? Pyramid or our AI, the front end tool, and you can ask it, right, to create a combination or a combined column. Right? And in this case, right, it will go ahead and use that concatenate formula. If there's a specific logic or specific thing that you're trying to do,
breaking down your
have logic already in place, then it will just kind of divert to using what it knows. As far as creating more complex combinations, I find that it's best to start kind of small and then build onto it, similar to what we were doing right with the incurreds, where we were taking those gross amounts, adding the four measures together, taking that gross amount, and then later, right, subtracting out the salvage and sub-row. Sometimes the more complex the question is, I think the less understanding there could be. So if you kind of start small and then make it more complex, it does seem to work a little bit better. But in this case, right, you can see the concatenate that was done. We have it again from our policy, dim policy table as far as bringing in that policy number and effective date. Right, we can run it just to verify that it is coming through properly. And you do see it here.